Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will use about reduction variable. So I will put about u equal to s plus y. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one, we have du over dx. This one, we have number 1. This one, we have dy over dx. Because we don't have number 1 in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. So that is about du over dx minus number 1 equals to this one. So s plus y we change by u. This one we change by this one. Negative number 1 I will put on the right. So sin u plus 1 we put on the left, ds we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, I will multiply by 1 minus sin u on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one for this one. And then we have 1 minus sin u square. And now we have the formula. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have cosine u square equals to 1 minus sin u square. So I will put this one go in here. So for this one, we have 1 over cosine u square minus sin u over cosine u square in here. Now, I want to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to cosine u. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to negative sin u du. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we have t square sin u du, we change by negative dt. And this one we have 1 over t. About t, that is about cosine u. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over cosine u. The integration of this one, that is about secant of u square. So this one, we have tan u. This one, we have s. about u, that is about x plus y. This is the end.